Hello and guys, welcome to my channel Live Tips and Tools, and today I'm talking about what will happen if you touch the antenna structure during the fly up drone, whenever you are flying a drone. So friends, I want to say that there is no any kinds of antenna in this structure. Antenna is inside your transmitter, and when you put your hands or any object or any materials in the front of your transmitter, then it will interfere the frequency of the RC transmitter during the fly of drone, and the drone range become less. So that this is the cause why your drone crash and you lost your money. So friends, if you want to fly a drone, then don't fly the drone near the electric poles or electric lines. This will also interfere the signal of your frequency of your as a transmitter, so that your drone range become less. And if you are flying in the towns, then fly the drone in the less range, about 100 range to 150 range. You can fly easily, but don't fly high range. If you are flying high range, then you have to take care of your their RC transmitter and drone, that you are flying in the electric poles or not, or electric lines or not, or any kind of frequency are happening or not. So if you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos. Thank you for watching video.